Good. I thought he was looking at a rabbit.
Where's that tree set?
Right there. Yeah.
Hey, oh, yeah, wow. We gotta go a little bit like that. Okay. So, time for a little there is time for Diesel. Oh, you big suck. Time for a little bit of an update. We're just gonna block cast to the best of our ability.
Yep. This is how it always goes.
This is Diesel. Okay, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey. A little bit of a channel update, and we're gonna talk about a few things. You're gonna notice some changes. You're gonna notice the fact that my truck's actually back. So basically, we had a bunch of emissions issues. We brought it in, geez,
6 weeks ago was the last drop off.
Not to mention there was
a week
and a half before that. So we have like 7.5 weeks worth of truck downtime, and there was supposed to be 5 or 6 weeks more. Luckily, our dealer fought tooth and nail to make sure that we got our DEF tank and everything sorted out. So we have a truck. If you know small business, then you know that certain pieces of equipment can be very important to the whole structure of what you do. So having our truck back is massive, and ever since we've had it back since yesterday or whatever, we've been at it and doing everything we had to do. The first thing was I really wanted to make sure that I protected whatever I'm towing, and then I had a nice situation kind of set up that I've always wanted. So we talked to Gen Y Hitches, and they got us our whole big torsion hitch setup. So these trucks are getting bigger and bigger. I've only done a leveling lift, and I added like 1 inch in height of tire. So like these trucks are just huge right from OEM. Port Diesel
just drilled on my foot. Felt it.
So it's such a tall truck that I needed a way to change where my ball hitch was going to be for different trailers and stuff like that. So a big thank you to Gen Y for that hitch. It's massive, it's gorgeous, it's cool. It's definitely compensating. Like it is a bulky item.
Yeah.
I was talking to Trevor from Dirty Life, and he's like, I could have just got you a $50 hitch, and I'm like, yeah. But this one's cool.
We don't do anything half. But
yeah. So yeah, we got all that set up, and you're gonna notice that, you know, we have this new trailer. If you didn't watch the Segway video, you wouldn't know about this flat deck. We sold the red trailer. She gone.
Sold a few things.
We actually, yeah, so we're doing a big revolution of things. So the red trailer's gone. This flat deck is in. Mama Bear is sold and gone.
Mindy.
She is not here anymore. Mindy the Indy, her sled is gone. I am working on selling my Turbo Ace. It will also be gone.
She's doing a fleet haul over.
We're literally revolving door. So we're getting some new machines, don't worry. Cass is getting a brand new machine, and we're gonna kind of get back to our roots, so don't worry. The side-by-side is staying, and what she is getting will make all of you guys super pumped.
Especially me.
But of course, the world is a little slow right now.
It'll be a while yet.
It'll be a while. Yep. It's already ordered and everything's good, but it's gonna take some time before it's here. And I'm sure you'll know all about it when it does get here, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we switched from the red trailer to this black trailer. It has enough room for the side-by-side and whatever she's getting up here.
Or 2 Mavs butt to butt.
Yeah, just
as last week.
Yeah, and we also have something else very cool for the truck.
Next week.
And we're gonna have it next week, which honestly should be a video or 2 after this one. So it's gonna be very fast for you guys, but you know, weeks and weeks of organization for me. There's a reason why all of this is happening. We had to restructure and jig things around. So we were waiting for our truck so that we could get the trailer set up and put in the hitch and put in the rock tamers and do all of this stuff. And then I've got my truck so I can go down to Edmonton and pick up the other thing.
Yay.
Which is gonna really change how the channel works. We're also heading towards, we're staying in the off-road content, don't worry, that's not changing.
But we're dipping more into the outdoors.
We're dipping more into the outdoors.
Yeah.
That's what we always wanted to do. We were just having so much success with the ATV thing, and we love doing that, and it's a lot of fun. But we also want to do more.
We want to be able to facilitate that a lot better than what we've been doing in the past with our previous setup. So we've tried trial and error, as with everything, and hopefully the next one's a little bit more of a success because it was a lot more expensive. But we are very excited, very excited to put it all together for you. We have a lot of momentum building back up after the last year that we've had. So if I can ask anything, it would be, I know there's the typical YouTuber, like, subscribe, share, but honestly, comment. Sharing is the biggest thing that you can do for us to help us gain that momentum back with the algorithm that is YouTube.
That silly little like button is so important, and all you got to do is click it.
Yep, and then it'll help more people see our content, and it'll help us regain that momentum that we had before last year, and just really get back on track with things. So yeah. Above
and beyond, we do have a few other things going on. We do have merchandise. It's obviously completely optional, but it's all there for you. We have some pretty cool stuff. You're going to see it either under this video or in the store tab of our YouTube channel. Yep. We also have a membership program where we have quite a few people who are basically tipping us through membership. You get a bunch of icons and unique stuff by accessing that.
It's like $2, $5. Like,
yeah, it's nothing crazy. And we're also going to be doing behind the scene videos for members only at some point too. You're not going to be missing out on any ride videos or anything like that. It's for people who are just looking for a little bit more, or what's going on in the background and stuff like that. So basically stuff like this you would know about preemptively, or you might get tipped off on what she's getting or what we're doing with the truck and stuff like that. I just want to give people opportunity to give that tip and actually get something in return. I don't like just free money. I don't really care for that. I'd rather work for it a little bit extra. So I think that's really important. But that's basically what's going on. Just a big shuffle of the channel. Lots
of big trips coming up this year. Lots of exciting stuff. It'll be our second year at FRCC. I'll get to go for the first time. We're going to be much better set up when we go down. And yeah, so that'll be huge. We're gonna go down hopefully to Drake's old stomping grounds,
Flin Flon, Manitoba.
Yeah, and then of course my career takes us in fun places as well. So in the next year there might be some significant changes on the Mainville channel, so stay tuned. I'm excited.
We may or may not be living in Canada this time next year.
Yeah. But
maybe
I have to get my ducks in a row for that to happen, and see if my brain still works the way it used to. Get a little good workout in here.
Yeah.
And if everything lines up, yeah, you'll know this time next year.
There's no shortage of interesting news with us, but we didn't want to do like 1,000,001 videos where we're giving you a little bit of information. For the people who do care, they can click on this and figure it all out. It'll all be here, that kind of thing. So
yeah,
we appreciate you guys and letting us do what we do. It's huge. It's life-changing, actually.
Yeah.
I'm not going to shed a tear, but
not on camera. And if anyone knows of any other events going on coming up, either in Saskatchewan, and I'll even say as far as Alberta, Manitoba, BC even, yeah, let us know in the comments below. Let us know if there's an event that you want us to come out to.
Weekend events.
Yeah.
Like 3-4 day event kind of things. That would be cool. But we're going to keep this brief. We've already babbled on enough. But if you have any guesses as to what's going on and why we did this trailer shuffle and what's going on with the truck and what machine she got, put your guesses.
Alex 780, you're not allowed to say.
Yeah,
we're involved.
There's a few people who know things, who have already seen the things.
Yeah.
So, shh. Leave it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.